Namaste everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Now, tell me this. Have you ever tried sending money online and accidentally typed just one wrong letter in the online transaction ID? You hit send, the money's gone, and suddenly you're staring at your screen like, wait, who did I just send $2,000 to? Yeah, it's frustrating. That tiny typo, it can mess up everything. Well, websites are no different. A CNAME record is like a shortcut. It tells browsers where to go when someone visits your subdomain. But if that record's outdated or incorrect, your visitors could end up somewhere completely wrong. So in today's video, I'll show you how to edit or delete a CNAME using the DNS Zone Editor in cPanel. Don't worry, even if DNS sounds a bit technical, we'll keep things simple and beginner-friendly. And that's what we're all about here at YouStable, giving you reliable cPanel hosting, full DNS control, and tools that actually make sense, whether you're just getting started or managing multiple websites. All right, let's jump in. You can edit or delete CNAME records using the cPanel DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. Suppose we want to edit the CNAME record for domain example.com, then click this Manage button. All the DNS records for the domain are loaded on this page. Now click to apply filter and show only CNAME records for the domain. Now click the Edit button in front of that CNAME record which you want to modify. Let's edit the record named forum.example.com. Make the desired changes and click the Save Record button. The CNAME record has been updated. To delete a CNAME record, click the Delete button and continue. We have deleted the particular CNAME record for the domain example.com. Now you know how to edit or delete CNAME records. Thank you for watching.